Hi, welcome back, friends. I am Professor K. Matthew from Bangalore, India. We are now coming with our fifth part 5 of our course, namely Python Programming Inside Out, Part 5. We are now publishing Part 5 of Python Programming Inside Out. Those of you who have not read or gone through the previous parts are advised to go through the earlier parts like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, etc. Part 5 is actually describing the concepts of string literals, then Boolean literals, etc. And example program in each of these literals are also described. Again, Python identity operators and Python membership operators are dealt in detail. Example program from each of these concepts is also given. And finally, we are coming to the concept of the Python data type. I am just giving a mention of Python data types, which we will be describing and in great detail in the coming video sessions in the subsequent courses. Actually, like Python numbers, Python strings, Python lists, Python tuple, Python dictionary, Python set, etc. These are all Python data types. Very important concept. These are all because Python list and all that is very, very popular concept in Python. And list is a very convenient mechanism for representing any type of data inside. A list is very much like an array, but in array we know we can only give the same data type. But in list you can give any kind of data type. Like that, the list is a very versatile data type available in Python. So like that, list, tuple, set, dictionary, all these are there. All those things will be dealt in great detail later. I'm just mentioning these things towards the end of this video session. Go through it, and if you have any comment, please come back. With pleasure, I will be accepting your feedback. Thank you very much. String literals. String literals. A string literal is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. We can use both single, double or triple quotes for a string. And a character literal is a single character surrounded by single or double quotes. In the following program, this is Python within double quote is a string literal and C and D are character literals. The value within the triple quotes shown here assigned in the multi-line underscore str, multi-line str is a multi-line string literal, and R followed by whatever is within double quote is a row string literal. What is it? And R followed by whatever is in double quote is a row string literal. Yeah, we are recording a program in string literals. What? It is a string literals. Look, I have put a comment. Look, hash string literals. Again, the comment follows. A string literal is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. We can use both single, double or triple quotes for a string. Again, a character literal is a single character surrounded by single or double quotes. It is surrounded by single or double quotes. Now, following are a series of examples, simple examples. Look, strings is equal to, this is Python. This is Python is kept within double quote. This is Python is a string. It has been assigned to the variable strings. Next, char is equal to C. C is within double quote. Look the comment, hash surrounded by double quotes. A single character surrounded by double quotes. Next, look, char2 is equal to D, but that is surrounded by a single quotes. Surrounded by single quotes. I have put the comment, look, surrounded by single quotes. As I told you, a single character can be either surrounded by double quotes or single quotes. It makes no difference. Next, multi-line underscore str. Multi-line str is equal to triple quotes, start of triple quotes. Then it is written, this is a multi-line string with more than one line of code. See how the line is getting split into the next line. How it is split. See how the line is getting split into the next line. Triple quote end. So in the beginning also there is a triple quote. In the last final, at the end of the string also there is a triple quote. Okay, fine. The next one is row underscore str. Row str is equal to r, then within double quote, row backslash n string. Look, row backslash n string is kept within double quote. Preceding that we have kept one small r like this. This r will suppress the character of backslash n. The characteristic of backslash n will be suppressed because of the presence of this r in front of the string. So that's the power of using a r like this. Just remove the prefix character r and rerun the code. See the difference. We will do it after this. I will show you how the r behaves. What is the meaning of this r, and when there is no r, how the string will react, or how then the new line character will become active. Let us see. I will do it later. Now, then these are the printing statements. The print statements. Print strings. First line is print strings. Next, print char. Next, print char2. Next, print multi-line str. Then last, print row str. So all the printing statement we have written. Now we will just run it. Running is very simple. Right click here in the code editor, right click. Just to go to run that particular file. Look. That's it. We will see the result. See. This is Python. The string has come. This is Python. Next C, the single character C, and then the single character D. C was actually put within double quote and D was actually put within single quote. It makes no difference. C and D has appeared in the output. Then this is a multi-line string with more than one line of code. See how the line is getting split into the next line. So that's also come in the proper way. Now look at the last line. Row backslash n string. This backslash or new line character has no effect. Look, row backslash n string. The backslash n or new line character's basic character of splitting into the next line is completely suppressed by the presence of this r. Now let us see how it will change. I am going to remove this r. Look, this r is removed. The moment it is removed, look, backslash n has now become active. Look, earlier it was in red color. Now, the moment I removed this r, this has changed the color, backslash n. It is showing a different characteristic. A facelift has happened. Now let us see. We will just, now you know this is auto saving is there. The moment I removed this r, it's auto saved. Now, okay, I am again going to run it. Let us see how the right click, again come to this run. Yeah, see, everything is same. This is Python, then next C, then D, then this is a multi-line string with more than one line of code. See how the line is getting split into the next line. Fine. But now look at row. Instead of things on the same line, it has now string has come to the next line. Row. See? Now row. See? Row, and the string has now come on the next line. That means the new line character has shown its real color in this because we have removed the R. The moment we have removed the preceding R, the backslash n has shown its real color, and as a result, the line has been split at this point. Row, after that, the next line string, it is in the next line. Row is in one line, string is in the next line. Now I will bring it back again. See, I am again putting that R. I have kept the R. The moment I kept the R, it is saved, auto saved. See, the color of n has changed back to red. Backslash n has now changed it to back to red. It is not showing its identity anymore. Now, see, I am again running it. Yeah, see, row, backslash n, string. So it's on the same line. In other words, backslash n's identity is completely suppressed by preceding letter like R in this. When we are preceding it with a letter like letter R like this, the real character of backslash n is completely suppressed. When again I have brought it back, now it's different. Look, now backslash n has absolutely no value. The moment I have brought R back, backslash n has again become inactive. So the entire thing within double quote is being treated as a single string, and the result also is like this: row, backslash n, string. So these are all very funny things in programming in Python. So have a look at it and understand the difference of using these type of small techniques in programming. It's very fine. We'll come to an end. Boolean literals. Boolean literals. A Boolean literal can have any one of the two values, namely true or false. In the above program, we use Boolean literal, true and false. In Python, true represents the value as 1 and false as 0. The value of x is true because 1 is equal to true, and the value of y is false because 1 is not equal to false. Similarly, we can use the true and false in numeric expressions as the value. Numeric expressions as the value. The value of a is 5 because we add true, which has a value of 1 with 4. Similarly, b is 10 because we add the false having a value of 0 with 10. We are recording the Boolean literals program. This program is on Boolean literals. Look, hash, I have given the comment as Boolean literals. Then again the next comment. A Boolean literal can have any of the two values, true or false. True or false. That's the only possibility. A Boolean literal can have any of the two values, true or false. Okay. We are now giving the following statements. Look, x is equal to 1 is equivalent to true. Next, y is equal to 1 is equivalent to false. Next, a is equal to true plus 4. Next, b is equal to false plus 10. Okay, fine. Now look, we are going to give the print statements. Print x is x, within x is within double quote, comma x. Then print y is within double quote, comma y. Then print a is, so a, simply a within double quote, a colon within double quote, comma a. Again print b colon within double quote, comma b. So it's a very simple program. Now let us see how the output will come. We will just click here, right click here, and just go and click run ch09. That is the name of the file, ch09.py. We will just click. See, we are getting the result as x is true, because 1 is equivalent to true. 1 is true, so that's x is true. Again, next is y is false. That's true only, because 1 is equivalent to false. That is not correct. Actually, 0 is false. So that statement, y is false. Y is actually equal to 1 is equal to false. It will not work, because it is actually 0 is equal to false. So that statement is false. Y is false. Then a is true plus 4. True is equivalent to 1. So 1 plus 4, 5. And b is false plus 10. False is equivalent to 0. So the result will be 10 only. The result will be 10 only. Very fine. Very simple program. Now look, I will make you a little a different outlook. Let us see. Just we will make a small change. Instead of this 1, we are going to make this as 0. And let us see how the output changes. See, 0 I have put. Here also I have put 0. Look. See how the, now let us see what we have done. X is equal to 0 is equivalent to true, then y is equal to 0 is equivalent to false. Let us see how we can run it. Just right click and again click run ch09. Look, x, now the result is reversed. X is false. The 0 is equivalent to true is absolutely invalid. Actually 0 is actually false. So, that this particular statement becomes false, because x means 1 should be equal to true. 1 should be equivalent to true. Here it is, we have done 0 is equivalent to true, it's a false. That's why x is false. Now next you look at y is equal to 0 is equivalent to false. That's correct only, because false is equal to 0. So that's y is true. Look, the result has come as y is true. So that's it. Now I think you got the real meaning of Boolean literals. A very simple concept. Yeah. Now I will again come back to the original situation. 1. Again 1. Okay, fine. That's auto saved. Again I will run it and see the run ch09. Look, x is true. Now 1 is equal to true, correct. Then y is false. 1 is equal to false is it's not true statement, it's a false statement. That's why y is false. And again a is equal to 1 plus 4, 5. B is equal to 0 plus 10, 10. So it's a very simple concept. We have done the program. See, this is the meaning of Boolean literals. Boolean literals takes only 2 values, either true or false. We will come to an end. Yeah, in this program, we are discussing about literal collections. What is it? literal collections. Look, I have put a comment, and then there are 4 different literal collections used in Python. List literals, comma, tuple literals, comma, dict literals, comma, and set literals. Dict stands for dictionary literals. Dict means dictionary literals. Okay. These are the basic literals available in Python: list, tuple, dictionary, and set. We will have very detailed discussions on these in our further discussions, further elaborations of the points. We will have a very elaborate discussions on list, tuple, dictionary, and set, etc. Here I am just introducing the basic concept of how to represent a list or a tuple. See, very simple program. Just I am giving an idea of what is meant by a list or what is meant by a tuple or dictionary or set, etc. Now look, the first one is a list. Fruits is equal to within square bracket. You look at it is actually within square bracket. A list has to be put within square brackets. See, we are given 3 strings: apple, comma, mango, comma, orange. These are put within square brackets. List uses square brackets. And these strings are put within double quote. Look, separated by comma. Apple is in double quote, after that comma. Mango is again in double quote, after that comma. Then orange is again in double quote. So that is how we are representing a list in Python. It's very important to observe that we are using square brackets. Next one is tuple. Look, I have given a name for that. Numbers is equal to within parenthesis 1, 2, 3. See, this is a numerical tuple. Look, 1, 2, 3. It is kept within symbol brackets, that is symbol rounded brackets, or we call it as parenthesis. A tuple has to be kept within parenthesis. Okay, fine. Now alphabets. Look, this is a very funny thing. Look, this is a funny representation of a dictionary. This is very much very new. This is very much available only in Python. Dictionary is not available in any other languages that way. So this is a very convenient representation for data. Look, alphabets is equal to, that's being kept within curly brackets or braces. Look, it has got, its syntax is very funny. Look, there is A. See, look, I had A within single quote, colon, then apple. Key value, this is actually called key value pairs. A alphabet has got key and correspondingly value, key value pairs. So A within single quote, put a colon after that, then its value, apple. Look, again B within comma, after that comma, B within single quote, put a colon, then ball, B-A-L-L, ball, within double quote, again comma, C. Look, it's absolutely, yeah, you can either put double quote or single quote. Look, ball I have kept within double quote, whereas apple I have put within single quote. Again C, this is again C, key is C, again colon, again cat I have put within single quote. Dictionary uses curly brackets or braces. See, it's kept within curly brackets or braces. Now next is what is called set. Look, vowels is equal to, again set also is enclosed within curly brackets or braces. Look, A, comma, A-E-I-O-U, all single, it's all kept within single quotes. A in single quote, comma, E in single quote, comma, I in single quote, comma, O in single quote, comma, U in single quote, comma. After that, close the brace. Look, it is also in braces. or curly brackets. So these are the basic data literals available in Python. It's very important. We will have a very elaborate discussion on each of these items, or each of these data structures. You don't have to worry. We will discuss it at length in coming chapters. Now we are giving the print statement. Print fruits, then print numbers, then print alphabets, then print vowels. So this is it. Okay, so the print statement also is given. I have given a small comment. In the output for the elements of set, you will find the elements displayed in random order on each run. Each run, the order will be different in the case of set. So now, it's a very simple thing. Yeah, we will just run it and see how we'll just go and run pych10.py, the run pych10. See, apple, comma, mango, comma, orange. The output, look. In the output, we are getting only single quotes for the strings. Apple is in single quote, mango is in single quote, orange is in single quote. Again, enclosed by square bracket. Then here the tuple is in parenthesis 1, 2, 3. Again, in curly brackets, dictionary is in curly braces, or simply braces. We call it as braces. So it's again all are in single quotes. A key value pair, A colon, apple is in single quote, comma, B colon, again ball, it's all in single quote, C colon, cat. But it is enclosed by curly brackets or braces. Again, look, the vowels again enclosed within curly brackets or braces. Look, the order is I, A, U, E, O. So there is no order for that, of course. I will again show you. See, now it has become I, A, U, E, O set. We will run it one more time and we will see the order is changed. For example, look, I again run it. Yeah, if you are, again let us run it. So it's like that. Each time when you run, the order will be changed. It's a very simple program. And I'm telling you, this is only an introduction to the literals available in Python. We will have a very detailed discussion of these things in future. Now we will come to an end. Python identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare the objects. Identity operators compare the memory locations of two objects. There are two identity operators as explained below. Operator, description, example. Okay. The name of the operator is. The operator is. Description, evaluates to true if the variables on either side of the operator points to the same object and false otherwise. An example, x is y. Example is x is y. Now the other operator is not. Returns true if both variables are not the same object. Example is x is not y. X is not y. Yeah, this is an example program on identity operators. We have already discussed the identity operators. The following is an example on that. Look, A is equal to 20. Again, B is equal to 20. Both values are equal to 20. A is 20, B is 20. Look, next line. If A is B, put a colon like this, print line 1, A and B have same identity. Else, again a colon like this, print line 1, A and B do not have same identity. Okay. Now, if ID of A is equivalent to ID of B, print line 2, A and B have same identity, else, again put a colon like this. Here also the colon is there. Then else colon, print line 2, A and B do not have same identity. The ID function in Python returns the identity of an object. The identity of an object. Okay, fine. Then now we are changing the value of B to 30. B is equal to 30. If A is B, put a colon, print line 3, A and B have same identity. Else, put a colon, print line 3, A and B do not have same identity. A and B do not have same identity. Again, if A is not B, if A is not B, put a colon, print line 4, A and B do not have same identity. Else, put a colon like this, print line 4, A and B have same identity. It's an example program. Now it's very simple. From the very reading of the program, you can understand. It's so simple. So now we will just have a look at how we can run it. Right click here and look, run Pico 1.py. Like I have given Pico 11.py. Yeah, just click run. I'll again rerun it, clear all. Yeah, see. Line 1, A and B have same identity. Look, A and B both are equal to 20, 20 again. So line 1, A and B have same identity. Again, next line, line 2, A and B have same identity. What was line 2? Line 2, if ID of A is equivalent to ID of B, both are same only. So identity of A and identity of B are same. So that's why the result is A and B have same identity. Now next output is line 3, A and B do not have same identity. Look, line 3, because we have changed the value of B from 20 to 30 here. Look, now B is 30, and then obviously A and B do not have the same identity. Again, line 4, now if A is not B, again A is not equal to B, print A and B do not have same identity. A and B do not have same identity. Yeah, fine. Process exited with the code 0. That means the program was successfully run. So now it's a very, very simple program. The very meaning of the program can be understood by anybody who hasn't even touched programming. Yeah, fine. Look, it is that simple. So this is an example on identity operators. We will now come to an end. Python membership operators. What is it? Python membership operators. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is present in an object. Look, operator, description, example. The name of the operator is in, description. Returns true if a sequence with the specified value is present in the object. Example, X in Y. X in Y. Okay. Not in. The next one is not in. Previous it was in. Now it is not in. Returns true if a sequence with the specified value is not present in the object. X not in Y. Example, X not in Y. All other operators available in other programming languages is available in Python also. All other operators available in other programming languages is available in Python also. Yeah, this is an example on membership operators. What's it? Membership operators. Again, I have put a comment, hash. Observe that the membership operators are in and not in. In and not in. Yeah, we are giving the example below. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. We are declaring one small list. Look, my list is equal to, within square bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, square bracket end. Any list has to be within square bracket. The name of the list is my list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within square bracket. So it's a list by name my list. Now look, if A in my list, put a colon like this, print line 1, A is available in the given list. Else, again put a colon like this, print line 1, A is not available in the given list. Again continue. If B is not in my list, if B not in my list, again print line 2, B is not available in the given list. Else, again put a colon, print line 2, B is available in the given list. Yeah, then now we have changed the value of A from what was originally A, it was 10, then we have now changed the value of A to 2. A is equal to 2. Again, we are checking the membership of whether this A is available in the my list. So A is equal to 2, then if in bracket A in my list, if in bracket A in my list, put a colon like this, print line 3, A is available in the given list. Else, put a colon like this, print line 3, A is not available in the given list. It's a very simple program. So we will now check, we will just check by running it. Look, right click and click run pyco10.py. Look, see, line 1, A is not available in the given list. What was A? A is 10. Look at the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, there is only up to from 1 to 5 only. There is no 10 available in this list. So it's true. Line 1, A is not available in the given list. Again, check. What is the next? If now the next is line 2, B is not available in the given list. Again, what was B? B was 20. Yeah. Now in line 2, what is it? If B not in my list. Yeah, B was what? B is 20. It is not in my list. My list is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, the output will be B is not available in the given list. B is also not available in the given list. Now what we have done? We have changed the value of A from, originally it was 10, from 10 we have changed the value of A to 2. A is now 2, or 2 is assigned to A. Now we are checking again the membership. If A in my list, put a colon, print line 3, A is available in the given list. Else, again put a colon like this, print line 3, A is not available in the given list. That's it. So what is the output? We have the output as line 3, A is available in the given list. A is available in the given list because A is now 2. Look at the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, very much. A is available in my list. So it's a very, very simple program. So we will now, we will now come to an end. We will just close the program. Python data types. Data types in Python. Python numbers, Python list, Python tuple, Python strings, Python set, Python dictionary. Then finally we are discussing conversion between data types. Conversion between data types. That's the final discussion. Python numbers, Python list, Python tuple, Python strings, Python set, and Python dictionary.